The buy and hold investing strategy, otherwise known as long-term investing, entails buying stocks or other securities and holding them for a long time, sometimes decades. This long-term passive investing approach is different from active investing, in which an investor tries to time the market by buying a stock when the price is low and selling it when the price is high. Most buy and hold investors rely heavily on fundamental analysis, as that gives them a better idea about the future outlook of the stocks they want to buy. Amazon grew by 120,000% in the 23 years between its IPO in May 1997 and May 2020. To put it in another way, $1,000 invested in Amazon stock during the IPO on May 15, 1997 at $18 per share would be worth $1.2 million as of May 2020. This is quite massive, and it goes to show how buy and hold stocks can grow exponentially. In addition to growth potential, some buy and hold stocks offer consistent dividends and even raise their dividends every year. Dividend-paying stocks can provide investors with predictable income, but not all dividend stocks are good for long-term investments. Investors don't look at short-term price fluctuations and technical analysis when trying to find good buy-and-hold stocks. Instead, they focus on using fundamental factors that determine the growth potential of a stock. Some of these factors include the significance and importance of the company's products or services, the sustainability of its business model, and the quality of its management. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video, we're going to share with you the top 10 stocks you must buy and hold for the next day. But before we start, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more similar content in the future. Now, let's begin. Number 1. Apple. Apple was the first company in the United States to hit a $1 trillion market capitalization, rising to $2.3 trillion. In February 2021, Apple was in control of 40% of the US smartphone market. The company has evolved from a phone manufacturer to a mega-tech company with tentacles in other sectors. In 2020, Apple announced plans to start building electric cars and is already developing autonomous driving technology. In the 5 years to 2021, Apple's stock rose by 476%. Number 2. Microsoft. Microsoft may not be the colossus it once was, but it is still a force to be reckoned with. The company had a market capitalization of $1.8 trillion in February 2021. Though starting with desktop applications, Microsoft has also expanded into other areas, including games, remote work applications, and cloud services. In the 5 years to 2021, shares of Microsoft have risen by 385%. Number 3. Amazon. Amazon is the world's largest retailer. The company was one of the biggest winners from the coronavirus pandemic, as the shutdown measures forced people to depend on e-commerce. However, unlike other retail companies, Amazon has leveraged cloud computing to muscle itself to the pinnacle of retail shopping. Amazon shares rose by 546.8% in the last 5 years to 2021. Number 4. Advanced Micro Devices Inc. Semiconductors have been essential drivers of technology adoption. Already, there is a global shortage of microchips, perhaps an indication of what may define the industry in years to come. Advanced Micro Devices is a company that should benefit from the surge in demand for microchips. AMD shares returned 5,024% in the 5 years to 2021. Number 5. Virgin Galactic Holdings Inc. Interest in space tourism is building. The consensus on Wall Street is that space will become a multi-trillion-dollar economy within the next decade. Space travel pioneer Virgin Galactic is positioned to reap from this growing market. Its shares rallied by 94% in 2020. Number 6. NextEra Energy. As the interest in cleaner energy intensifies, renewable energy companies like NextEra Energy could become profitable long-term investments. NextEra is a pioneer in renewable energy, and it generates more solar or wind energy than any other utility company in the United States. The company has earmarked $55 billion for building new infrastructure by 2022, which will reduce electricity generation costs. Number 7. Tesla. The future belongs to companies that will disrupt our normal way of life. No other company typifies this more than Tesla. The Pioneer Electric Car Company is leading the charge in the way we consume energy. It is more than just an electric car company. Number 8. The Walt Disney Company. Disney has reinvented itself. The company has seen a seismic shift in its core business model, choosing to focus on streaming content through its channel Disney+. Consequently, this former cyclical stock now offers a hybrid of growth and value. Disney shares rose by 105% in the 5 years to 2021. Number 9. PayPal. Card payment platforms represent the future of cash transactions and online payments, and PayPal is at the forefront. The $350 billion company is expanding into new markets. In 2021, it started accepting crypto payments on its platform. It has also announced plans to include other financial services, such as stock trading, options trading, and derivative contracts. This would make PayPal a one-stop app for financial transactions. PayPal shares rose by 772.19% in the 5 years to 2021. Number 10. Visa. As the world continues to drift towards cashless transactions, companies such as Visa will remain relevant for a long time. The company has consistently made huge profit margins and is also aligning itself to the future needs of consumers, for example, by considering accepting crypto payments. Visa shares grew by almost 1,000% in the decade 2010 to 2020. You can invest in long-term stocks through stockbrokers, investment companies, or online trading platforms. Because of the numerous features offered by some brokerages, including premium research and advisory services, you may want to use a full-service brokerage.